off 2 ticks.
Have you?
It's gonna be a good day.
Oh yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome to my bachelor party. A week from today I'm getting married, and this is how I'm celebrating. Me and my brother-in-law John here are gonna knock down some squirrels. We're at Bonanza Conservation up in Caldwell County, and it's fixing to be a party.
My prediction?
Yeah.
You're gonna get at least 2, and I'm gonna go, man, I wish I'd have found one.
I predict John gets 2 and I get 3. Just because I want more than him. Alright, I just got a fox squirrel. I haven't heard John shoot yet, so I think I'm still in the lead. Let's go see if we can find this thing. Everything is so thick, it's just, that's why I brought the shotgun today. It's too thick out here to shoot with a 22, so. This week I hurt my neck really bad at work or something, and I can barely turn my head, and you don't realize how much you have to turn your head until you go squirrel hunting. It's miserable. Okay, we have our squirrel quartered up into 5 pieces here. We have 2 back legs, 2 front legs, and we have the saddle here. I'm going to show you really quick how I fry squirrel. I start with eggs, flour with Creole seasoning, and then I fry it on both sides for about 3 minutes, and then I pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or so, and that tenderizes it. So we'll start off with our egg wash here. Just give it a quick dunk in there. And in the bag, So about 3 minutes in, I go ahead and flip them. I give them another 3 minutes on this side. It smells like KFC in here, folks. So I'm gonna try to do these videos every 2 weeks or so. I think my next one's gonna be a catfish catch, clean, and cook. And I'm taking next weekend off, obviously, because I am getting married. This guy, married. No big deal. Or is it? Is it a big deal? Anyway. I hope you all enjoy watching these videos. I'm still learning. They're a little clunky. I'm getting used to editing and filming and talking to the camera. It's all awkward. So thanks for being patient with me. When you brown these things in the pan, you're really just doing that for the crust. The real cooking happens in the oven. 400 degrees, 25 minutes, and it will be very tender. Squirrel's really tough. It's really dense. So this is a must when it comes to frying squirrel. I've had it to where it's just pan fried, and it's a chore chewing through that stuff, so I definitely recommend this step. Alright, we're all done, folks. John's about to give it a taste test.
All right.
Tell me what you think, John.
Deep fried tree rat.
Oh yeah, let me get real close.
Nice and tender. That's good.
Yeah, it's better
like,
in the oven, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gonna taste like chicken wings.
Oh yeah.
In a good way.
Good stuff. Next time we're going to do buffalo squirrel.
Cool.
I've already been gnawing on mine.
Contribute.
This is the absolute best way to do it. It's nice and tender. It tastes like KFC or something. So anyway, thanks for watching, people.
Keep shooting the tree rats.
Oh yeah, definitely. Happy Father's Day. God bless, folks.